Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just reading about the flying squirrel. Did you know the flying squirrel doesn't fly at all? It glides. How are you holding up? My name is Joe, and I'm here to tell you about a super fantastic program called The Daily Creature. The Daily Creature will feature sculptural tutorials, illustration tutorials, and some fun ideas for projects you can do with household items. All of it in the name of a particular animal. Our first animal is the elephant, and our first program launches this Monday, April 6th at 2 p.m. A little bit of creativity goes a long way, and we all have a long way to go together. So we certainly hope you will join us on Monday. Stay creative.